This metric completely changed my way of looking at Facebook ads. And the name of the metric is Thumbstop ratio. The Thumbstop ratio is the percentage of viewers who watch at least 3 seconds of your video. To calculate this, divide the number of 3-second video views by total impressions and multiply it by 100. This is how you create it inside the Ads Manager. Open your Ads Manager, click on columns, go to customize columns, create a custom metric which will be 3-second video views divided by impressions. And then don't forget to select type as percentage. Now you have your Thumbstop ratio in your columns. The Thumbstop ratio is key to knowing how well your ad grabs attention. The higher the ratio, the better your ad performs. The ratio above 30% means that a large chunk of your viewers found your video compelling enough to watch it beyond 3 seconds. And if it is not, and you need to improve your Thumbstop ratio, then try these 3 tactics. Okay, the first one is use a headline on the video. Then second one is use eye-catching colors. Third one is utilize popular memes for a relatable and shareable moment. Fourth one is leverage user-generated content. Fifth is spark curiosity by introducing out-of-place elements, and this is my personal favorite. Well, this was the part 1 of hidden FB ad metrics. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll dive into hold rate and how to measure it.